It's been a big week of debris, sludge and soggy sand. People in southern Queensland and northern New South Wales have been busy trying to clean up Alfred's mess.
Very slow to go away, takes days, stinks afterwards. It's horrible.
It's not an easy job. Experts say the damage bill could run into the billions, and many people will be relying on insurance to help pay for repairs. Now, insurance is probably something you've heard of. People insure all kinds of stuff. Their homes, business, pets, their health and vehicles. Anything that's valuable.
Like, for example, Joe's car. Now, if something were to happen to it, Joe wouldn't be able to afford to replace it, which is why he's taken out insurance. He pays an insurance company a regular fee, known as a premium, and in return, they agree to pay Joe if something happens to it. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for the insurance companies?
Hey, whoa, no, stop that.
They're not making enough from Joe's premium to cover the cost of the car. But if lots of other drivers sign up, those premiums add up to a fairly big pool of money. And chances are only a few people will have something go wrong, which means the company can cover the costs and make a profit. But if more things go wrong, profits go down. And the only way to make money is to raise premiums. That's been happening a lot in Australia. Big natural disasters like fires, floods or cyclones are bad news for insurance companies because lots of people make claims all at once. And experts reckon climate change is making natural disasters more intense, which is leading to higher insurance premiums. For example, after the floods in Lismore in 2022, locals saw their premiums jump by up to 50%. It means some people in areas hit by disasters are left with a tough choice.
Do we forgo insurance on our house completely, or do we have to move?
There are even some properties that insurance companies won't cover because they think it's too risky. In fact, some experts reckon 1 in 10 properties could be uninsurable in a decade.
Well, I'm insured as much as I can be insured, and other than that, you just try to keep things out of the way of the water and hope for the best.
For now, authorities are asking insurance companies to act quickly to help their customers get back on their feet.
People take out insurance expecting that they'll receive support when they need it.
And people without insurance may be facing an even tougher time ahead. In the short term, state and federal governments are offering emergency support to people who need it. And communities are coming together to support one another until things get back to normal.